Welcome to Sarajevo's Old Town, a place where history isn't just remembered, it's felt underfoot on cobblestone streets and heard in the overlapping calls to prayer and church bells. This is the Baščaršija, the historical and cultural heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina, where for centuries, East has authentically met West. Our story begins in the 15th century with the Ottoman Empire. The city was founded by Isa Beg Ishakovic, and it was under Ottoman governor Gazi Husrev Beg in the 16th century that Sarajevo flourished into a major center of commerce and culture. He endowed the city with some of its most iconic landmarks. The Gazi Husrev Beg Mosque, built in 1531, stands as a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture and remains the central mosque for the entire country. It is one of the rare mosques in the world that still keeps the tradition of a live, unamplified call to prayer, with a muezzin climbing the minarets 45 meters 5 times a day. The Baščaršija itself was a Turkish-style marketplace, a maze of narrow streets named for the craftsmen who worked there. At its center lies the Sibyl, an Ottoman-style wooden fountain. It is the last remaining kiosk fountain of its kind in a city that once had hundreds, serving as a historic source of water and a symbol of welcome. Local legend says that anyone who drinks from it is destined to return to Sarajevo. As you leave the Baščaršija and walk towards Ferhadiya Street, you'll cross a literal line on the pavement marked Sarajevo Meeting of Cultures. Stand here and you witness the city's unique identity. Look east and you see the Ottoman-era architecture with its ornate minarets. Look west and the scene transforms into the elegant, pastel-colored buildings of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, which took over in 1878. A short walk leads to the Latin Bridge. While this Ottoman-era bridge is one of the oldest in the city, its global significance comes from a tragic event on the street corner beside it. It was here, on June 28, 1914, that Gavrilo Princip assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie, an act that triggered the outbreak of World War I. Today, Sarajevo's Old Town is a must-visit location to experience the lively, vibrant, and energetic heartbeat of a city that has a rich culture and even richer history. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.